So the first thing I want to explain is how I did Aubrey's ears, or Princess Poppy's ears. So the fabric that I used, you can use any fabric you want, but the fabric that I used was a hoodie that I got from Walmart. I got the hoodie from Walmart instead of getting the actual fabric because I had a hard time finding the right color fabric for Princess Poppy. So I found this hoodie from Walmart. It was like $8, but it literally it did the job. It was enough to make her gloves and her sleeve, her legs, the ears, and that's all I needed it for. So it was enough. All right, so here it goes. First, you're going to take your fabric and cut the shape of your ear into 4 equal parts. Take 2 of those parts and put them together like this. You're going to take a pin and pin those 2 pieces together and get ready to sew them. Now you want to sew around the outside of your ear from right here and go all the way around to the bottom. The inside of your ear you want to leave open. So from the top of my finger to the bottom of my finger is the part that you do not want to sew. Now that we've sewn, you see that I left the inside of the ear open. You can kind of see it. But now we're going to turn the ear inside out. So now you have the ear inside out, and you can see the bottom where we did not sew. It has an opening. Now you're going to take I took some tulle. You can definitely use fabric for this part, but you kind of want to take the tulle and fold it in half, and it's basically going to be the bone of the ear and what helps the ear to stick out. So you want to take that tulle or fabric or whatever you choose to use, and you want to measure it up against your ear and make sure that it's the right size. It goes all the way around the outside of your ear. Once you have the right size, you want to kind of wrap it so that it's not too big. Stick it inside of the ear. Push it all the way to the top of your ear and all around the outside of your ear. That makes sense. So now we're going to sew this part all the way around just to kind of keep it in place, and it also kind of gives the ear some character, kind of makes it look more like a real troll ear. So now you see I sewed all around the edge or the inside of that piece. We still have our opening. And technically, if this wasn't going on a little baby, then I could have just wore it. You can just wear them on your ear. But since it's going on my 1-year-old, I'm definitely going to have to attach it to something because she's not going to keep it on her ear like this. Okay, so for the second ear, I just want to kind of go over this part again. Take your tulle or your fabric, make sure you measure it for the outer part of the ear. Twist it just to make sure it stays in place. Go ahead and put it inside of your ear. And push it all the way to the top. And then once again, we are going to basically sew it to the top of the inside of the ear by going all the way around with your sewing machine, or I mean you can hand sew it. So now that I've sewn it all the way around, get my second ear, and that's it. Princess Poppy's ears. Thanks for watching, guys.